Hello, fifth grade. Welcome to Monday. This is our agenda video for this March 30th start to the next week of school. Today you have three subjects: math, writing, and reading. We're going to go through those in that order. In math class, we're going to be looking at section 13.2, which is looking at triangles and specifically looking at the different angles of a triangle. Is there any pattern we can see by looking at different types of triangles? You do have some homework pages for those, so I'll ask you to check those as well. You also have some writing. You're going to finish up working on your fused, you already finished your fused outline, but you're going to use that fused outline to finish up your rough draft. Remember to make sure you're adding the dress-ups, including the who, which clause, different sentence openers, but also remember there's no vocabulary, so don't worry about that vocabulary step of doing your rough draft. Some of you will finish up that rough draft today, and if you do, you can go ahead and have your parents take a picture or scan it, and then add it to the homework drop or email that in to me. If you don't finish that up today, that's okay, but I need it by at least Wednesday of this week. And today will be the last day that you have class time to work on it. And then next, you're going to also have reading class today. Last week, you read chapter 1, which is starting the quest for the Holy Grail, but you didn't have a chance yet to answer those questions, so that's what you're going to work on today. I did pass those questions out to you right before we went on this quarantine. I'll be posting those questions online in case you've lost that sheet, though. Make sure that you're writing them down in your reading journal. Eventually, after we finish book 3, which is a shorter book, I'll be collecting those questions from you so I can give you some credit. But rather than having you upload questions every day, I'm going to collect them at the end. Make sure you're keeping up with them, though, or else it's going to be a lot of questions to do on one day. So make sure you're doing the questions the day they're assigned, and then eventually I'll turn in a whole batch of them when we finish book 3. And I'll also be posting a video going through those questions with a couple of notes about them. All right, that's all we have for today. My question for you last time was, how many months have 28 days? And the answer is 12 of them. February is the only one that has only 28 days, but every other month has at least 28 days, and now a little extra too. And then your question to think about for next time is, what do you think that is? Something that my housemates and I have in our house. Any guesses what that is? I'll share with you next time.